welcome back to Using DIY. My name is Matilda and today we're designing and creating this new apron. First we're going to go through the materials. First we've got a blank apron, we've got some blue heat transfer vinyl and some pink heat transfer vinyl. I've already got the design and this is what we're going to make it look like. First of all we need to get the design into Cricut Design. We'll do this laptop for doing that. This is the design. All we need to do now is cut it out and stick it on. Over to the craft table. We're all finished now. In our next video, we'll be doing a pencil case and the Heat DIY logo on Tilda's t-shirt. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!